I'm barely surviving because of my, my Capri Sun. Capri Sun sponsor us. Say Capri Sun sponsor us.
Shit.
Right here. I mean, fuck, dude. I go through at least like 3 boxes of these a week.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Diabetes. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another video. It's been what, like 7-8 months since we last uploaded. It's been a crazy year. Been a crazy last couple years. Life's been hard for everybody. Pandemic, shutdowns, people losing their jobs. Yeah, but we're still here. As you guys can see, it's not the garage anymore. We actually ended up getting our own shop. The whole thing with the pandemic, we actually all ended up getting laid off, which honestly, I feel like it was the best thing that ever happened to me. Working at the machine shop was very toxic. We butted heads a lot, a lot of shit talking. You know, old school ideas mixed with new school ideas, people stuck in their ways, you know, us trying to progress, and yeah, resistance being met, or should I say being met with resistance. You know, it's just, it was a lot of bullshit, but we're good. We have our own shop now. We're going by Hostile Performance. We've been here for about 6 months, I want to say, like the last 6 months. This is something that we've been really working on. Actually, we foresaw us getting laid off. We foresaw, you know, us getting fired, or, you know, even before the whole pandemic happened. We had already gotten our business license back in 2019. I want to say November, either November of 2019. Yeah, we had gotten our business license, and we established ourselves as a business, and we were just slowly behind the scenes, you know, just trying to start up our own thing. And so far, you know, we're here, we're good, trying to make moves. Yeah, we got 2 cars here right now on the lift. We got Alfredo's, he's off the camera, he's right here. We just got done fitting his wheels because he got his wheels back from VR. So yeah, we got the projects coming for sure, 100%. The IS has a lot of things coming. I'm waiting for Serial 9 right now. Been waiting for those fuckers for 3 months already for my rear upper control arms. A lot of emails back and forth with them. Just waiting patiently. Hope I get my rear upper control arms, because then you guys are gonna get a whole video on just IS. The S12. I have a lot of things planned for the S12. I mean, especially now that we have our own shop space, we have our own lift. I don't have to be working on the floor no more. The S12 is going to get complete rework. That thing, I have so many ideas for it. I'm pulling the engine back out. And to pay homage for, you know, getting laid off from the machine shop, I'm taking that whole engine apart and I'm doing it the way I want to do it. I'm not going to be influenced by, you know, people and their ideas, their ideals. Basically us doing whatever the hell we want to do now, because, you know, we're our own thing now. So the S12, pulling the engine out, gonna get I'm gonna completely rethink the whole engine. I mean, the cylinder head is gonna basically stay the same. But yeah, I never documented any of that, so I think it would be good to document the whole S12 build as well. But I do have to get Angie Supra. Oh yeah, you guys probably remember Angie Supra is the one that we put the blow-off valve in. That one has gotten a lot of work done. Full intercooler piping, custom turbo manifold. They wanted a bigger turbo put in. Intercooler piping, full exhaust, all that stuff. It's getting the works. We were originally supposed to get it done for Supras in Vegas, but that's actually happening. It happened yesterday. Yesterday was the main show. Today's Sunday. Everybody's already, you know, coming back. It ended up being a very big project. This is the very first custom manifold I ever made. It was the very first time we were trying to fit a massive twin scroll turbo into the stock location. So it it ended up becoming very overwhelming for me, and I tried my best to work on it every day. We bought a lot of parts for it. Had to do a lot of fabrication, a lot of pie cuts, a lot of welding, but I mean, it's almost done. It's actually almost ready to fire up. I just need the O2 sensor and I need to relocate the dipstick. But aside from that, we can fire it up, and then it's just open downpipe for now. But yeah, so got to get that out. And Alfredo's car, we just got done. Like I said, we fitted the wheels. So now it's just getting tires. I have to do an exhaust tip for him, and then we can go to JCCS. What, in 2 weeks? 3 weeks?
I think 3 weeks.
3 weeks. So it's on the what? 30th?
31st.
31st. Halloween. So yeah. I thought Halloween was the 31st. Is it? I don't know. Whatever. But yeah, as soon as these two cars are done, then I'm hoping to bring my sister's S13, which is still needs to get the engine dropped in. We still have not done that. We've been, like I said, we've been very busy trying to get this place up and running. So yeah, it's just a lot of things, but we're still here. We're kicking it. We're open for business if you guys ever need, you know, engine rebuilds. I mean, we're trying to do as many engine rebuilds as we can. We have an LS right now. We have actually 2 LSs that are going to be coming to us. We've done Ks, you know, B series, LSs, BMWs, everything. So yeah, you guys need a manifold done, we can do manifolds. You guys need exhaust work done, we can do exhaust work. So yeah, but aside from that, we're doing good. We are working on videos for Nelson Subi, because actually SubiFest is in 2 weeks. No, next week. SubiFest is next week, and we did actually a lot of things to his car here in preparation for SubiFest. So he's kind of bummed that they canceled the time attack, or not, it was the time attack, the autocross. They canceled the autocross on him, so he's really bummed out, because I mean, most of the prep that we did was for the autocross. We put his rear upper control arms in. We put a bunch more bracing in under the car. We did more bracing in the engine bay, in the front bumper, and yeah, so he's like super bummed that they canceled that event. But SubiFest is still happening, so yeah, we're gonna be going next week. Videos on that is gonna be coming out hopefully here in the next couple weeks. I'm probably gonna vlog for SubiFest. I'm not sure if we just want to go that day just to hang out, you know. SubiFest is just, you know, it's like going to a Subaru dealership. They all look the same, they're all blue. Everybody loses their cars, everybody's setting their alarms off. Nobody could find their cars because they all look the same. So I don't know, but we'll see. So yeah, but I think for now it's just a short little video just to, you know, get you guys up to speed on what's going on, what's happening. And you guys are probably gonna see more videos of the shop in the next coming months, because honestly, like, even though we've been here for 6 months, we've already outgrown it. This is a single bay shop. We have 1 lift, and we have this little area right here where we mess with 2JZ blocks. We're doing GT conversions and whatnot. So yeah, mostly fabrication on this side. On that side is the lift. We have the car, the driveway. There's really no parking space outside, so it's hard getting, you know, constant workflow in. But yeah, we've outgrown this place, so I'm actually already looking for another spot. I don't really want to say too much more about that, but just hopefully a lot of big things coming, and I'm hoping for the best and planning for the worst as usual. You know, you always want to keep it real. You want to have your head in the clouds, but you want to keep it real at the same time. So yeah, so IS, S12, the Supra, the M30, the STI, the S13. We got 6 cars that we're gonna be constantly pumping out content, hopefully. So stay tuned. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Oh yeah, like, comment, share, subscribe, all that stuff here. Peace. The Capri Sun.